Good morning everybody. Jai Swaminarayan to you all. So I am Rinki Pandey. Today I am going to teach you social science for class 6, lesson number 2, journey from primitive man to settled life. But before starting the lesson, let's see thought of the day. And the thought is, self-trust is the first secret of success. It means there is no any kind of recipe, there is no any kind of secret, there is no any kind of medicine by that you can get achievement in your life and you will be successful. Okay, so the secret, the only secret is just believe in yourself, just have a trust on you and you will success. Okay, to have a success in your life, just have a faith, have a belief in yourself. That is the most important secret. So let's begin the lesson. We have already learned about the information about primitive man and the previous life in Paleolithic age. So now how they settled? The lesson is journey from primitive man to settled life. We have already knew about the primitive man, but now in today's class we are going to learn about how the primitive man settled in their life. Okay, just how we are having a properties, we are having a houses, so we are settled. We are having a particular place to live. From that we are going on our work and in the end we just get back to our house. Okay, हम अपने घर वापस आ जाते हैं because we are settled. How the primitive man was settled? Let's see. So today's topic is changing environment. Changing environment. See when the time passes, atmosphere is also has been changed, the climate has been changed, and from that the grasslands were formed. Okay, and before going further, let me tell you about the climate. Okay, just now we are suffering from global warming, pollutions and all. Just like a little bit, when the time passes, the climate of earth is also changing, and the climate and weather both are different things. Let me tell you a difference between climate and weather first. Okay, it will be very helpful for us in further lessons also. What is weather? Okay, just now we are having a morning time, after it we are having an afternoon time, and in between then rain is there. Okay, see, this is the weather. कभी भी छाँव हो जाती है, कभी भी धूप हो जाती है. The rain suddenly starting. This is weather. Okay, a sudden change of environment, a sudden change in a daytime, a night time. It is weather. But what is climate? Climate is a very particular period of time, and it takes too much time to change. Minimum 35 years to change. Just like we are having a 4-month summer, 4-month winter and 4-month monsoon season in our India, and we know that June, July, August, September is for rainy season. This is the climate. Let me tell you a little story about the climate and weather. A Pappu is there, a boy named Pappu. One day he was just sitting near the television and watching the news, and in that he sees that the Jammu Kashmir is having heavy snowfall, and the tourists were there, they were enjoying the snowfall, and he just used to tell his father that I also want to see the snow, I also want to go in Jammu and Kashmir. His father said, we will go next year beta, next year again there will be a snowfall, I will definitely get you there. But Pappu is very naughty. He just used to say, no, I want to go, I want to go, you are lying, you are not going to take me over there, I want to go. Finally, his father take him to the Jammu and Kashmir, and again next year Pappu starting this thing that I want to go, this is the last time snowfall is happening, I want to go, and again father is there with him, Jammu and Kashmir. This process is happening by year, and after the 15 years again Pappu was in Jammu and Kashmir. At that time he knew that my teacher taught me about the climates and weather. So this is the climate that in this season, in this month, the snowfall is there. Okay, so snowfall होना ये एक क्लाइमेट है, जगह जगह के अपने क्लाइमेट्स, अपने अपने वेदर्स होते हैं, अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के अपने क्लाइमेट्स होते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अभी इंडिया में मानसून का सीज़न चल रहा है तो इन अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो देयर विल बी अ मानसून. ऐसा नहीं है. मे बी it is just because of climate. Okay, so let's move further everybody. Around 12,000 years ago there was a widespread changing in environment of primitive man. जैसे जैसे atmosphere में change हुआ, the life is also has been changing of primitive man. They used to start agriculture and animal husbandry. They used to start agriculture and animal husbandry. We all knew about the word agriculture, but what is animal husbandry? To rearing animals is called animal husbandry. Animal agriculture भी आप उसको कह सकते हैं. Just like we are just growing crops, it is known as agriculture. But when we are rearing, जब भी हम किसी जानवर या पशुओं को पालते हैं, उनको रियर करते हैं, तो दैट इज नॉन एज एनिमल हस्बेंड्री फॉर आवर पर्सनल यूज. ओके, सो व्हेन द एग्रीकल्चर एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री स्टार्टेड, व्हेन द ग्रासलैंड हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड, द हर्बीवोरस animals is also has been increased on the earth, just like sheep, goat, deer, cows, buffaloes and all. Okay, and when they knew about the agriculture, that how to grow the crop, they used to settle at one place. They used to settle near the water sources, nearby the water, and they used to made a house of mud, thatch and the nearby materials, whatever they get from that area. उनको आसपास से जितनी भी चीज़ें मिलती थी, they were starting to collecting them, and by using the mud and thatch, what do you mean by thatch? A straw, just like we are having a wheat and paddies. आपने देखा है just hut and previous time जब भी होते थे तो पैडीज एंड जो भी वीट के जो बचे हुए स्ट्रॉज होते हैं, आफ्टर रिमूविंग द ग्रेन्स, लोग उसको एज अ रूफ टॉप पे यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है, इन प्रीवियस टाइम आपने जो कभी भी कच्चा हाउस देखा होगा, वेन एवर यू हैव टू सी द कच्चा हाउसेज, यू कैन सी ओके द हट टाइप. झोपड़ियों में देखा है नॉर्मली, यू कैन सी दिस स्ट्रॉज नियर दैट. ओके, when they knew about the agriculture, the types of grain they used to grow is barley, wheat, paddy, it means rice also, you can say that. I am using the simple language. Rice, millet, you know the millet, bajra. Okay, millet is there, and lentil. Lentil means bit of pulses, dal. Okay, the variety of pulses. Millet is bajra, rice. I have written the simple language. It is also paddy, and wheat, it means gehu. We are new about that. And barley. Barley means jaw. Okay. And in animal husbandry, they just started to learn the behavior of the domestic animals, just like buffalo, goat, sheep, whatever they are having as a domestic animal. They just used to learn the behavior of those animals, and slowly they used to just settle with them also. And you know, the first companion of primitive man in settled life is dog. First companion. And after that they normally starting the animal husbandry, and in that they are having just a sheep, buffalo and goat. They used to make the earthen pots to just store the grains. जितने भी ग्रेन्स वो लोग हार्वेस्ट करते थे आफ्टर एग्रीकल्चर, जब भी क्रॉप्स रेडी हो जाती थी, एंड आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग जस्ट दे आर रिमूविंग द ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द क्रॉप, एंड उसको स्टोर करने के लिए, कलेक्ट करने के लिए दे जस्ट यूजिंग द अर्थन पोट्स. तो उन्होंने अर्थन पोट्स बनाना भी सीख लिया, एंड स्लोली उनके फूड, शेल्टर एंड क्लोथ्स में भी चेंजेस होते गए. फूड में जस्ट दे आर हैविंग दिस क्रॉप्स यानी ग्रेन्स के साथ साथ वो लोग फिश, मीट भी यूज़ करते थे, बिकॉज अब वो एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में जान चुके थे. एंड शेल्टर, फर्स्टली दे आर लिविंग इन अ केव अंडर द ट्री, शेड ऑफ अ ट्री, बट नाउ इन सेटल्ड लाइफ दे वर यूजिंग द स्टार्टिंग डेवलपिंग अ हाउस, kacha house just made up of mud. And in nowadays, just see how settled we are. We are having a fantastic house. Clothes में भी काफ़ी changes हुए. Okay, firstly they are using the peel of vegetable. Sorry, they are having a bark and the skin of animals, and slowly that is changed. Okay, we are going to learn it further. There is a table in your book, page number 9. Okay, there is a grain, settlements, weapon, animals, and the places where they found. Let me tell you. But before that, how the agriculture is formed by the hand? No, just they are starting to develop. They are starting to make a tools for the agriculture. Which kind of tool? Just like a spade, chisel, and sickle. Do you know these words? Spade means we are knowing it is named favda. Okay, they are made up of stone at that first time, wood and stone. Second is chisel. Chisel means बेटा छेनी. छेनी आप गुजराती में कहते हैं, हिंदी दैट इज खुरपी टाइप कुछ होता है, छेनी भी जिसको बोल सकते हैं. एंड सिकल. सिकल इन हिंदी इट इज हासिया एंड इन गुजराती इट इज नोन एज दातरडू. है ना, हम कभी भी देखते हैं इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ शेप लाइक दिस. इस तरह के शेप का होता है. Okay, and farmers are generally using it to cut the crops whenever it is get ready. We are having a table in our book, that is page number 9. I am also having a book. You can see page number 9. This is the blue table, and the thing is grains, settlement, weapons, and animals, and places where they found. So the wheat, barley, sheep, goat, stone implements where we found. In Mehergarh, we found, it means the archaeologist has discovered. Do you know in India there are lots of human settlement places and cattle rearing places where the archaeologist has found, just like Burjhom, Gurkal, Horangi, Mehergarh, Langanach and Bhimbetka, which is discovered by archaeologists. And do you know the Mehergarh is also found as the oldest village in our ancient history. Mehergarh is oldest village. ऐसा माना जाता है कि उससे पुराना village आज तक archaeologists नहीं ढूंढ पाए हैं. And at that time in Mehergarh the houses of a rectangular shape. Rectangular shape के houses होते थे. And you know some barns were also found. Barns, do you know the meaning of barns? I have already told you about the little shape, just like आप मूवीज़ वगैरह में देखते हैं. इन फील्ड देयर इज़ अ लिटिल हाउस. ठीक है, हम उसको एज अ फार्म हाउस भी बोल सकते हैं, वेयर द कैटल्स हैज़ बिन, कैटल्स को रखा जाता है, समहाउ ग्रेन्स वगैरह को स्टोर किया जाता है. आउट बिल्डिंग टाइप. ठीक है, टाइप ऑफ शेड और आउट बिल्डिंग. एंड in Inam Gaon, do you know the in Inam Gaon? Inam Gaon is situated in Maharashtra. There the archaeologist has found the dead remains of dead bodies of children. It means they knew that there is, they have a belief that there is a life after the death. मरने के बाद भी कहीं तो कहीं जिंदगी है, and they will come back. Soul never dies. We also believe that the soul never dies. आत्मा कभी नहीं मरती, just बॉडी ही हमारी खत्म हो जाती है. ओके, सो जस्ट दे आर स्टार्टिंग टू ब्यूरी द बॉडी. वो लोग क्या करने लगे, जो डेड बॉडीज होती है, वेदर इट इज ऑफ एनिमल और इट इज ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग, उसको वो लोग दफन करने लगे. ओके, एंड इन इनाम गांव द हाउसेज ऑफ अ राउंड शेप. वेट, ओके, इन Mehergarh it is rectangular shape. Houses are rectangular shape. And in Inam Gaon it is round shape. Okay, so they have a belief, the people of Inam Gaon, it means they have a belief that there is a life after that. So they started to bury the body. वो लोग उसको दफन करने लगे. And ऐसा माना जाता है that the farming of बाजरा and barley started from Inam Gaon. Normally ये लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैमाने पे in a higher quantity they are just growing the crops like बाजरा and barley. एंड ऐसा माना जाता है दैट द बार्ले एंड वीट, बार्ले क्रॉप्स, बार्ले एंड वीट इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम मेहरगढ़। मेहरगढ़ के लोग जो थे उन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम बार्ले एंड बाजरा की खेती करना शुरू किया था। वीट एंड बार्ले। ओके, so this is the lesson. We have already learned about the primitive man's previous life as a nomadic hunter and gatherer's life, and after that how they changed their life. Slowly they had discovered the fire, the wheel, the agricultural tools, hunting tools they were already have, but slowly when the environment has been changed, they just developed the tools for agriculture also, just like spade, sickle and all. And slowly they are having houses. They are made up of house of mud and thatch. And now the settlement is that they have settled in their life, and this cycles goes on. And today in modern time we are having a particularly settled life, but still we are having a development in our life. So the development goes on, and in future also it will goes on. Okay, that's enough for the day. Thank you so much. Till then, Jai Swaminarayan everybody. We will do the exercise question answer in next video. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan.